Continuation of doing the ball joint, lower ball joint on the white 96 Mustang. Of course, you can see all covered with snow now. I got a snowbank coming my way too, so I'm kind of pressed for time. Yeah. So what I've done is, because the lower ball socket sitting right here. So what I did is I got some old bearing races, and I put it underneath it. So it's gonna sit right on top. I got an old set of rotors, and I set it up on top of a nice flat brick. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna hit it with a maul and see if that's gonna pop out of there. Going back in is going to be another subject, because I'm going to have to get a press. So stay tuned. As you can see, I got there's the lower ball. That's why they call it a ball joint, because it sits right inside that socket, just like your arm. So I'm going to go get a maul, and I'm going to hit that sucker, and hopefully it's going to drop down through. Okay, here we go. Hopefully I got enough swing to get that to drop out. I'm still pretty loose. So what's happening is I'm pushing down. Stay out of my way. Fortunately, I got too much. So your here's not helping me any at all either. Hey there. Okay. I got a lot of play, so I'm not getting a good drop. And you get something. So I got too much play on here. It should be solid. You should be solid when you hit that thing underneath it, so it's not bouncing up and down. All right, so I'm gonna jack this up a little bit. I got some steel plate in the garage. Okay, and I got a piece of steel plate. Jack this up a little higher so I can get that. It's a race. An old bearing race. Slide it under there. Let that lie down on it. Come back down on it. It's got to be wide. You got to be wide enough so that it'll sit right in the middle of it. Okay, so we go again. Okay, beautiful. Okay, we're nice and tight. Let's see. Oh, see? You see it move? It's moving. There she goes. There it is. Sweet, huh? That's all it took. Okay. Fall out. I can probably put the other one back through, and do the exact same thing. So, but yeah, she's all the way out. Okay. Okay, tighten that back up. Blink. All right, there you go. She's out. I just got to do the same thing. Put the other one back in. And when it came out. That's pretty square. I don't know if I can actually get the other one. Go back in by just pressing it down. Just pounding the new one right back in, same as it came out. Does have a little bit of a angle to it. I don't know. Huh. It's a thought. I think it's making sure it's completely seated, flat and flush. It didn't take anything to come out. Let me go get the other one. Rest of the ball joint out. Now, because this is off, it's not being held by the tie rod end. So, to do that, I'm using a very large monkey wrench. It has a monkey wrench. 15/16 wrench, and pulling it towards me. I broke it before I hit the camera on. That out of my way. Jeez. Got lots of tension on that damn caliper. I don't want it. All right. Okay. Real close to the top of that, bottom of that strut. Couldn't get a socket on it, so kind of stuck with using a wrench. These ones don't have castle nuts. They got their lock nylon thread coating. So you shouldn't have to deal with a quarter key. Just can't get in there with a socket, unfortunately. So manual labor. Woo! Kicking me. Close. There you go. Awesome. Okay, takes care of that. Get that off of there. Now, gotta go the other direction. Gotta put something hard under that. Pop it loose. It might even go just right now. Can't hit it good. Not even that. Get your ball joint.